Whenever possible, remove the part from your own vehicle first. Steps and tools may vary based on trim packages or modifications to the vehicle by previous owners.
General guide for hood removals. You will need a basic set of tools to remove a hood. For this job, we used a trim tool and a 10mm socket. Start by opening the hood and support it if needed. Then disconnect any electrical connections or plastic clips that may be attached. Disconnect any washer hoses that may be attached as well. There are 4 fasteners holding the hood onto this truck. There's 2 fasteners on the driver's side and 2 fasteners on the passenger side. Remove the 4 fasteners. Removing a hood isn't difficult per se. The steps are simple, but having a helper around does make it easier to lift. And that's how you remove a hood from a vehicle.